Now we have Maheen Malik here with us. And Maheen has achieved a fantabulous result, a unique result of 9 A's in his class. Maheen, can you tell us how you feel about this one-off unique result?
Honestly, it feels really surreal. Never in my wildest dreams did I imagine that I'll get the results that I did. And it's unbelievable, but I'm really, really grateful to TFP for contributing to the success.
Such a unique result. Maheen, how did TFP contribute to your success?
I think for me, the unique selling point of TFP is that it provides an environment where everybody is aspiring to reach great heights. And I think that is enough for everyone to get motivated. And that is exactly what contributed to my success.
How did Sir Umar, as a person, help you in your personal growth?
I think Sir Umar is a mentor for every one of us. Every day when I was not sure about my own progress, I went to him, and he was always very, very, very supportive. He's always been telling me that you can do it and you can achieve it. And honestly, without his support, I don't think I would have been able to yield the results that I did.
Last question, ma'am. Would you recommend TFP to others?
Definitely, yes. I think, as I said, TFP provides you with an environment that automatically, instills this flame inside you that you need to grow and work hard and achieve the great results. So definitely.